We have a fabulous event for all of our canine friends out here at Gristmill Park. It's the Ides of Bark. We have lots of folks from the local community. We have their best friends, their dogs, as well as we've got the Parks Authority and the police. My predecessor, Jerry Highland, in his last year in office, wanted to really put together an event for just the community to get together and know that one of the key parts that we love about our community is our dogs and getting them with their owners together and having a place that they can come enjoy our dog park here, as well as the grounds of a really beautiful Gristmill Park itself. And then we have a lot of vendors here that have lots of different things that people can learn and enjoy and hopefully maybe do in the future for their animals.
I'm here at the Ides of Bark. I want to meet people who have dogs in their lives, whether they're pet parents of their furry family members or whether they interact with other people through grooming, through shelters, through volunteering. I want to let them know that we have a very easy to take 5-hour pet first aid and CPR class. April is Pet First Aid Awareness Month, and we want people to get trained so that should the unexpected happen, they have some knowledge and skills on how to take care of a dog or a cat if they suddenly become ill or get injured. There's a lot of pet parents here, and they care very much about their furry family members, but it's been wonderful to reach out to some of the shelters of people who work with pets every day.